Hi everyone. Now I am going to discuss about the Django framework, which is a Python based framework which is mostly used by many developers because it has many features like faster building up faster fasterness in building the apps, and it is completely written in Python language, and it will provide us a means reusability of the code and all. Instead of creating duplicate code, it will provide us to create that kind of reusability, and it follows the model view template architecture. Model MVT architecture means MVT means first M for model, and then V for views, and then T for templates. T for templates. Model means it will acts as a database interface which contain all the database related functionalities like storing data, updating and all. View is a Python function, means there are two types of views. One is functional views and class views that handles web request. It interacts with model and renders a template, typically by passing data to a template. And now coming to templates. Templates are nothing but the HTML pages. It will follows the HTML. It will follows HTML template syntaxes. And now coming to why we use Django, there are so many features are there that are very helpful for to build the apps. One is security. It will provide us project against common attacks like CSRF, SQL injection. For that attacks, it will restrict that kind of attacks. This is helpful for this is the one of the feature of the Django. And next one is ORM. ORM means object relational mapping, interacts with database using Python classes, supports multiple databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and Oracle and all. Modular and scalable means scalability. Scalability means it will scale as well as the large applications and traffic heavy websites and all. Uses a modular structure via apps reusable components provides us the. Next, it will has a built-in feature which is known as admin interface. Inbuilt, it has this feature, auto-generated admin panel for managing models, highly customizable and secure interface. And next one is URL routing. It will routes the URL very finely and means uses regular expressions like path, URLs, .py, that and all. And it has a template engine also that allows creation of dynamic HTML templates, Django templates, supports inheritance filters, tags, and custom tags and all. And it has a built-in features like form handling and validation, and sessions and messaging framework, file and emoji uploads and all. And REST framework support also it will provide. Django REST framework for pulling APIs and serialization, authentication, and permissions also built in within the Django. And this is also used as a testing framework also. Built-in testing tools for unit and integration tests and all. And now we will go for how to install and uh, how to install Django first. For that, first we have a Python in our system because this is the Python framework. So that we need Python first to install the Django. And for that, first we will create a folder. For example, I am creating a folder name Django. Okay. Now, mhm, now we are in the Django folder of on the command prompt. And first, as we discussed already, first our system needs Python to install Django. Okay, if you want to check the Python is already there or not, there is a command to check the version of that. That is Python hyphen version. Yeah, here you can see that this is the Python version in my system. And now, first we need to create a virtual environment. Okay, for that we have a command like py space -m vnv means virtual environment. And next, our environment name. For example, I am giving my first or demo env. I am creating like this. Yeah, here we can observe that our environment is created. So that next we have to install Django. For that, first we need to activate our virtual environment. For that, we have a command that is our environment name. Here, our environment name is demo env. I am writing here demo env. And next, we need to activate scripts and then activate. Yeah, here we can see that our environment is activated. In that, for installing the Django, we have a command that is py space -m and then pip install Django. Yeah, it is installing. We can observe that here. Yeah, here successfully installed. Next, if you have a doubt that is installed or not, we can check it by typing the command pip freeze. It will show. Yeah, here we can observe that our Django version is there, means it is installed successfully. Next, first we need to create a project. How to create a project in Django means it has a command that is Django -admin and then start project. Then here our project name means anything we want to give the name to your project that is here. I am giving as first Django I am giving here for our project. Yeah, next we need to, here we can observe that our project is created. Inside project folder, let me open it once. Yeah, here we can observe that we have our Django is our folder name, and this is the our environment name, and this is our project name what we are created now. And now go to, if we click this, here we have another first Django. This is the parent folder, and this is the child folder, and manage.p is the main this is the main file we have to need it because this is the main file. And inside child folder we have init.py. Init.py means it is a Python package, and the settings.py, the name itself telling us that this is using for setting the settings purpose, setting our project or app. And here we can observe that urls.py. Urls.py means urls. We already know that urls means the urls that redirecting the pages and the and all. And here we have to specify the path. Here path means our url path on which for example here we type admin after our local host, it will display the admin's root on which it contain and its content. And next inside project folder we have a settings.py. Inside this settings.py we need to register our project first, that is must and should be. Here we can observe that installed apps. Here we have to add our project. What is our project name? First Django is our project name or app name. Like this, we will register our app in settings.py. This is must and should, because without this, if we don't register this app, it will not run. So that we need to register this first in register.py. Next, to run our project, let me open terminal. Yeah, here Django. What is our project here? We need to change to our project folder. Here cd means change directory. Within Django folder, our app is, our project is in first Django. So that I am redirecting, changing directory to that. Yeah, here. Now to run our project, first we need to run the server. For that, first we need to go to our project directory by using cd project name. We already seen how to go to our project directory by using cd first Django. First Django is our project name. And there is a command to run the Django project, that is Python space manage.py. We know that manage.py is our main file that needs to be run server here. We can observe that it will give us a local host address. Yeah, let us check by clicking it what it displays and all. Yeah, it is displaying like this because for this we can understand that our last project is running correctly. Okay, this is the process of how to install and run Django. How to run and install Django. Next, first let me note all these comments and all for better understanding. Here, how to install Django. First, we need to create a virtual environment. For commands, virtual environment, what is the command? Python py space minus m space env space our env name. Here, whatever you want to give name, we need to give here. This is for creation of VNV, means virtual environment. And next, after creating our virtual environment, we need to activate that. Okay, for activation purpose, what is the command we are using? The env name. Env name means whatever the name you have given to your virtual environment, you need to mention it here. And then scripts, and then activate. This is for activating the virtual environment. After that, to install Python Django, the command is py space minus m space pip install Django. This is for installing Django. And next, how to create a project in Django. Means here, up to here, we are done with installing and all. Next, how to create means here is a command to create Django admin and then start project and then our project name. Whatever name you want to give into your project, you can mention there. This is for creating Django project. And next, up to here, we are done with creating our Django project. And next, we will see how to run our Django project. Here, first we need to change to our current directory, means a cd project name. It will goes to our project folder and then type this command, that is python space manage.py space run server. It will starts our server and runs our project as well. This is for running Django project. Yeah, this is the process and the commands how to install and how to create and how to run our Django project under. In the next class, we will discuss about other things. Thank you.